when I started filming these videos, I was like, how do I come up with so many different exercises to keep people engaged or interested? Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and let's just get into it. You are part of the Fit in 5 workout series, and we are focusing on our upper body and our arms. So right now I'm just taking this light, might even be extra light. No, it's a light resistance band, pushing and squeezing everything together in the back. I love this exercise. I do these workouts for my mom after she took my Fit in 5 course, and she has started working out consistently, so I told her I would post a video a day, which I have been, and then I vamped it up and I turned it into posting one for her, which is the green thumbnail, and that's for all levels, and then posting one that's a little bit more challenging, but not impossible, and it has modifications. This is a great exercise for your rotator cuff. So just focusing on the health of your shoulders. As we age, everything just starts to deteriorate. So it's good to keep your muscles nice and strong and better support of your joints. Okay, good. Let's hold that one there. Now you are going to find something to loop it onto, whether it's a door handle, something to hold it into place. And we're going to work more of our chest and the front of our shoulders. So just pulling it forward towards you. So I record these videos in anywhere from 6 at a time, sometimes 2 at a time, 4 at a time, whatever it may be. But last week I wore these same shorts, and it was after I had been going out of town so many times. It was like weekends, it was like back-to-back weekends I went out of town, and then I had like another super social weekend where you just have events and there's just so much going on. So I say all that because my workout schedule and my movement got a little off, so my eating habits were then off, my sleeping got affected. So my weight can fluctuate with a couple of pounds, and I will carry immediately, it goes right to my stomach. And whether that's inflammation or packing on the pounds, it's been nice to now look. I wanted to wear these shorts again to be like, oh, okay, we are down. We have lost some inflammation / anything. All right, let's do 5 more. 1, 2. The other thing that I love about these workouts, for last one, and then we'll switch to the other side. 5, good. We're just gonna take this one up a notch. So going back to what I was saying is, what I love about these workout videos is I typically will do similar exercises over and over again just because I know they're effective. I like them, I'm seeing results, I'm feeling results, they just work. So when I started filming these videos, I was like, how do I come up with so many different exercises to keep people engaged or interesting? And so initially I would just start talking through every little aspect of the movement, and I was like, okay, great. I'm educating so many people about this movement. Good. Your shoulders should feel the nice toasty burn. Now we're onto our triceps. Of course, I love the triceps. So then I switched things up again and was like, okay, people get the movement. If you've watched a couple of these workout videos, you get it. If you don't, you can go back / I'll still continue to talk through them, giving you the highlights of them. But I have since switched gears and switched up the level of the workout. So now the green, and I might have mentioned this, the green is for all levels and the pink is for more challenging people who have been working out type of thing. And the stuff that I talk about is also stuff that pertains to the workouts, of course, but also just other things that are going on. So it's kind of like listening to a podcast. And I just think it's more engaging, more fun. Keep in mind, anytime I'm working my upper body, I like to hover on my toes just to work on your balance. It forces you to keep your core tight, so every little muscle feels like it has a role. When doing this exercise, the hard part is keeping your elbows straight, so make a small, tiny little break, and then you're straight again. You can see that even in this movement, my shoulders are still working and being involved. So I love working my triceps. Anytime I feel like my shoulders are fired up, then I turn to my triceps to give everything else a quick break, and then I circle back. So that is it for this Fit in 5, our upper body, people of all fitness levels. And in the next video, pink thumbnail, we're going to vamp it up and it'll be a bit more challenging. So see you then.